Hello and welcome. Jim and Janice Hallisey here. Today we're going to look at one of the largest causes of long-term care need. Approximately 50% of long-term care insurance claims are for Alzheimer's or some other form of dementia. 1 in 9 65-year-olds suffer with dementia. By age 85, it's 1 in 3. They're dealing with some form of memory loss, often Alzheimer's.
And we've had multiple cases of clients in recent years who have been diagnosed with dementia and are receiving or did receive long-term care until they passed. Many were able to use their long-term care insurance to pay for their care. Some of the others needed to spend down and qualify for Medicaid to pay for their care. Just this week, we ran into a nurse who is the daughter of one of our earliest long-term care insurance clients. She couldn't say enough good about how glad she was that her parents had purchased coverage all those years ago. Her stepfather used his policy for many years before his passing, 10 or more years ago.
Since then, she has cared for her mother, who has Alzheimer's. She's caring for her in her own home. But this daughter still needed to continue working. The policy pays for a home health aide to come in and care for her mom while she's at work. And she's done that for many years. She was so excited to see us and thanked us over and over. She took our card and said that after their up close and personal experience with long-term care insurance, she and her husband want to look into it for themselves. Her overflowing gratitude absolutely made our day. It's experiences like that that make us so passionate about providing this marvelous protection for others.
There are currently 6 million dementia patients in the United States, with 10,000 baby boomers turning 65 each day, and life expectancy is increasing. The probability of an ever-increasing number of Alzheimer's and other dementia patients is quite high. 75% of singles and 50% of couples needing care exhaust their entire savings within 1 year of entering a nursing home.
We are particularly blessed to live in Northwest Arkansas and have so many resources for learning about and actually caring for Alzheimer's patients. In addition to national organizations like the Alzheimer's Association, we have the Meeting Center in Springdale. It has educational events. It has an extensive library of books and videos. They have support groups for caregivers. They also train professional caregivers as well as training family members to provide care. The center has a clinic also with specialists in diagnosing and treating dementia.
Another incredible resource is the Broyles Foundation. Betsy, the daughter of Coach Frank and Barbara Broyles, provided live-in, hands-on care for her mother for 3 years, and now speaks nationally on the subject, being a wealth of relevant information on topics related to Alzheimer's care.
With the average length of stay with most other long-term care needs is 3.5 years. It's not unusual for Alzheimer's patients to need care for 8 to 10 years. You may remember President Woodway lived for 12 years after his Alzheimer's diagnosis.
Long-term care insurance can't cure this awful disease, but it can absorb some or all of the impact of the care costs associated with it. We're here to